wounds hidden behind a smile. Silent nights full of concern. Thoughts that take away your peace. But listen to this: God knows every tear that fell from your eyes. He knows every battle you face in silence. And right now, He's touching your soul. God's word says that the Lord is close to those who are heartbroken. This means you are not alone. Even when everything seems dark, God remains by your side. He sees what no one sees. He understands the pain you cannot explain. And He has the power to restore what suffering has tried to destroy within you. Maybe they said you would never change. Maybe the sadness has become so constant that you've started to believe that you'd never feel joy again. But God is saying today, I still work miracles. The same God who healed the sick, saved lives and raised slain people continues to act. And He can heal your soul completely. Let God enter the places of your heart. Do not hide your pain from Him. Speak with sincerity. Pour before Him all that is weighing within you. Because when you give your pain to God, He turns sadness into hope, fear into strength, and anguish into peace. Sometimes healing doesn't happen all at once. Sometimes God restores you little by little, day after day, strengthening you in the process. But every prayer, every tear, and every moment of faith is being seen by heaven. God has not abandoned you. He is working in hospitals, even when you don't realize it. Today, take a deep breath and declare with faith, God is healing my soul. Declare this without feeling it. Declare this even in the midst of difficulties. Because faith paves the way for the impossible to happen. May all deep sadness be broken. May all anxiety lose strength. May all emotional pain be delivered into the hands of the Lord. And may the peace of God begin to fill every part of your heart now. You will still smile again. You will still live days of joy, peace, and hope. Suffering will not have the last word in your life. God will have, and His last word about you is healing, restoration, and I begin again. Trust, God will heal your soul.